Okay, let's see if this setup is good for vlogging at night. I'm having the a7iii with the crop lens on it. And yeah, I'm heading to Coles right now. It's kind of late, it just rained. Yeah, and I'm heading to Coles, Burwood. Because, yeah, I'm gonna get some food, some supplies. And let's go. Okay, listening to Nirvana right now. Okay, I was thinking of using the A6500 for vlogging. Yes, GPS. I was thinking of using the A6500 for vlogging because the thing is, that camera is very fast with its autofocus, and it's a crop lens. It's very good with this lens also. Like you can get it all the 24 megapixels. It's light and it's easy to carry around when you're vlogging. But I also want to bring one camera when I'm vlogging, like just one camera for everything, which is this camera here that I'm using, the a7iii. So I just attached the 10-18 lens, which is compact. If I'm gonna have the 16-35 lens on this camera, it's a bit front heavy, and I don't like it. I don't like it. I've tried, but I still don't own that lens, so I don't know if I'm gonna have one. But yeah, it's really not balanced. It's hard for me to vlog. Like when I have the 1DX, I can vlog because the thing is, the body is so big. This one here, the lens will be bigger than the body if I'll be using the 16-35. So I'm using the crop version, which is the 10-18. They say it's not sharp if you're shooting crop mode. I can still use this lens for full frame vlogging, but I can use it from the 15.5 millimeters up to the 18 millimeter focal length. So it should work, but yeah, the thing is, I don't know. I don't know. I just want to use the full 10 millimeters out, even though if it's cropped. But yeah, I'll see how it goes, because this is what I'm doing now. I'm practicing. I'm trying to see if it works for me. Yep. Anyway, gonna head to Burwood now. Oh, and one more thing. I'm setting the camera right now at auto ISO. Usually when I vlog before, I don't set it in auto ISO, but for this case, I've learned it works, especially when you're vlogging. So I'm setting the camera right now to auto ISO. Maximum ISO is 12800, 12800, 128,000, 12800, 120. Okay, I'll check. Yep, thanks for confusing myself. I was setting it to 12800 or 12,800 ISO maximum, so I can still go higher, but I prefer to stay with that. Okay, even if the footage for this vlog is kind of dark, it's okay, because the thing is, it's really dark today, so there's no point in raising up the eyes or making it much brighter, because the thing is, in reality, it's not bright. And yeah, so I hope this footage is good. I'll be uploading it right away, and we'll see how it fares with the low light. If it does good, I might use this for vlogging, and I might not get the A65 anymore. Though I really like the A65 because it's so light. You can carry it anywhere. Autofocus is like awesome. It's much better than this a7iii. In a way, it's much faster. But yeah, if you have this, I'm carrying two cameras. I'll work it that way. So I want to carry one camera. I'll make this work with the a7iii. Yes, I'll make it work. I promise. I should shut up now. Yeah, I should shut up now. Just gotta get out of here first. Okay, this is what I like about Coles here at Burwood. The thing is, it's 24 hours. Around 12:30 today, I'm still shopping for something to eat. I'm still trying to get some fruits and everything. The grocery is still open. Also, if you want to look for other things like stuff that you need, Kmart is also open, and it's same building, 24 hours. So yeah, it's just 8 minutes away from my place. And yeah, that's nice, because you can buy anything, even though if it's too late at night. That's cool. So it's totally dark outside, but this camera rocks. Yeah, it rocks. Also, there's a place there called Amalfi. You can buy pizza or Coglione up late at night. So that's one of the good things here in Box Hill. You can go to China Bar and eat till 3 a.m. They're open. You can order some Chinese stuff. I like the spring rolls there. They're really good. And yeah, nice. It's totally dark now. I wonder if you can see me. So any moment by now I'll be ending this vlog. And yeah, this is just nonsense. It's just me testing this camera out for low light. Again, I'm using a crop sensor. A crop lens. It's a 10-18 Sony. Has stabilization. It's good. Also, it's an f4. It's not a shallow depth of field lens, but yeah, it works. It's so wide, and I like it. I used to have one. I sold it. Now I got another one. That's it. It has the hood here. But anyway, I need to go. I need to go back driving now. Anyway, you guys take care, and yeah, have a good one.